Hello you guys. So today I'm going to show you a haul that an order that I placed and received today, and it's by the company Bedazzled Bath and Body Company. And BedazzledYourSkin.com is run by Sarah Ann. And they also have a Facebook, Bedazzled Soaps, and then they have an Instagram called The Soapy Situation _Sarah. So, and The Soapy Situation on Instagram is how I found her. And it says, Bedazzled Bath and Body Company, love your skin, dazzle your body. And she's got a website here of BedazzleYourSkin.com that she puts down below on this card. And let me read what she says here. Let me turn the camera around so I can. So first of all, her card says, hello, beautiful. Isn't that awesome? A wonderful positive message. It says, I am Sarah Ann, a 19-year-old aspiring girl boss with a passion for making skincare fabulous and fun. I started making soap 2 years ago after searching for skincare products suitable for my skin. I began experimenting with different combinations of skin-loving oils and other natural ingredients to create my staple recipes. After a while, it became a creative outlet, and I saw that I was able to help others in the process. Now, the Bedazzled Bath and Body product family includes shea butter body soufflés, luscious sugar scrubs, soothing bath bombs, and more. What's my secret? Love, natural ingredients, a little sparkle, and a whole lot of fun. And now you're a beautiful dazzle fairy, so sprinkle a little dazzle wherever you go. The world deserves to see you shine. Very nice. And wait till I show you. The minute I showed what I ordered, I ordered 3 products, and or maybe 4. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this. This is a soap, and I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off and show you. Look at that. Nothing fell off. No bits fell off of it. It's pretty sturdy. I mean, look at this soap. Does this not look like fairies made this? Okay. Exactly. It looks like a fairy cake, like a blackberry one. There's the bottom of it. Okay. And then it has this sort of icing looking stuff on the top with the blackberries. Oh. This one is called Black Raspberry Vanilla Luxury Artisan Soap. Black Raspberry Vanilla. And it does have a light scent of black. Oh my God, it has glitter on it too. Look at it. Look at this. Look at it. It's got glitter on it too. I mean, right? Okay, so that is that one. The next one came in its own special little gold designed foil bag, and it's called Oatmeal Milk and Honey Luxury Artisan Soap. It says, the soothing scent of oatmeal, thick creamy French vanilla, a warm milk with bottom notes of sweet nutty almond and hints of sweet honey. The ingredients say goat's milk, distilled water, olive oil, coconut oil, shea butter, mango butter, sustainable palm oil, raw honey, beeswax, fragrance, some kind of silk, and castor oil and salt. Very nice. So let me show you this soap. Look at this soap. Look at that. Look at the little bee on the top of the soap. It's a little bee on top of the soap. It's a honey soap. There's the back. Yes, the soap even looks cool from the back. And then you've got this sort of honeycomb on there. And look. Now you've got a little bit of gold glitter in the honeycomb. I mean... And this one has a nice honey fragrance. You can actually smell the oat milk and you can smell the honey. It just smells like it's good for your skin. Does that make sense? Oh my God, I can't wait to use this one. As you guys know, I have dry skin, so things with honey in them always make my skin feel better. The sides, I forgot to show you, the sides look like honeycomb. I mean, wow. Oh, gorgeous. So that one is oatmeal, milk, and honey. So oatmeal is always very soothing to the skin, and honey is also very soothing to the skin, and also very moisturizing to the skin. And so the next thing I'm going to show you from Be Dazzled is this Mermaid Dreams Bath Bomb. It says, drop in your bath for a luxurious bath experience with moisturizing, skin softening water. It says it has Epsom salt, citric acid, sodium bicarb, kaolin clay, mango, shea butter, oh my God, witch hazel, cosmetic grade glitter. Look at this. Mermaid Dreams Bath Bomb. I can't wait to use this bath bomb. This is the 3-in-1 Strawberry Sugar Shack Bath Bomb, Bubble Bath, and Soap combination. Now, you've got a pink bath bomb on the bottom. On the top, you've got a bubble bath. Let me turn it around. Oh, it smells so good. White part is bubble bath concoction. The pink part is bath bomb. And the strawberry and this pink part on the top are soap. And it's got just a very light dusting of glitter on the top. It smells just as good as it looks. It smells just as good as it looks. I mean, oh my God. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. So that's a bath bomb, bubble bath, and soap combo. So definitely go visit her Instagram and her website, and I'm sure you're going to be seeing on my Instagram plenty of pictures of her things. I'm going to show them off to the best of my ability, and I really want to show you the wonderful artisan pieces that she creates, and they're not just beautiful to look at, they also smell gorgeous, and they have good things for you in them. So that is Sarah Ann. Thank you so much for having this company. I'll definitely be doing a demo and review video of the Strawberry Sugar Shack Bath Bomb first here on my YouTube channel. It'll be up on my blog. As you know, I now have a new tab up in my menu of my lushalot.com blog called Indie Businesses, and I have all the indie hauls, indie businesses, bath and beauty hauls that I've done in the past couple of months. I think there might be about 6 on there, and I'll include all of this in there. So yeah. So thank you so much for watching this. If this helped, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up down below. I'd appreciate that. And subscribe to my channel, and that way you'll be notified whenever I upload a new demo and review video, which I do from 1 to 5 times every single week. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon on the next video. Bye-bye.